Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's find the settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system. And here let's click on About Phone. Let's scroll down to the very bottom and here we've got the build number. Simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer. If you've got a pattern or a pin, simply enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, we are a developer now. Let's get back. And here we've got the new option, developer options. Let's tap on it. And here we've got the full list of advanced options which we can customize just like you want. For example, you can show your taps, so your device will show visual feedback for taps, or simply, for example, you can stay awake so the screen will never sleep while charging. If you want to turn it on, simply tap on the switcher right next to it. To turn it off, the same situation, tap on the switcher, and now it is turned off. If you are done with customizing developer options and you want to turn it off, simply click on that switcher. As you can see, it is off. Let's get back. And the developer options simply disappeared. If you want to customize them again, let's get back to this build number step. So that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your DOOGEE X80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and to leave the thumbs up.